Ancient yogis found that by adopting animal and bird postures, the body and mind experienced an alignment, released hormones, and relieved stress. One such bird is the pigeon. Pigeons are gentle, plump birds that strut around with expanded chests. They are strong, swift flyers with powerful flight muscles. In Kapotasana, the deep back arch strengthens the muscles in the back and neck. It's a strong hip and heart opener, brings flexibility and strength to spine. It stretches the psoas, the piriformis muscle, and the hip flexors. As you practice being a pigeon, notice how it invigorates your body and gives your spirits a lift.